Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my CVS couponing haul for the week of April 19th to April 25th. So as most of you guys know, I've been doing online shopping, and last week in one of my cards I ended with $15 in extra bucks. So on Saturday at midnight, I tried to do my order, but nothing was available. I actually had some stuff in the cart and it came out of stock. So I was able to place an order today, Sunday at 6:30, because in the morning there was just nothing in stock. So before I get into the deals, I just wanted to discuss limits online. So in the ad, for instance, like the Crest and the Colgate deal, usually oral care deals, they are a limit of 2. Online, it's the same thing. So when you go to place your order, so when everything is put into your cart, it says limit of 1. But I did pick up, for instance, one of the deals was the Colgate. I picked up 2 of them and it says buy one, get a 150 extra buck. And I'm going to show you guys when that deal comes up how it basically applies. So basically it says limit of 1, but they are still a limit of 2. So it goes by what the ad says online. So I'm going to show you guys that in 3 examples with 3 different deals. Now, as far as deals online, there are some okay deals. I placed 2 orders today. So the first order was from one card and my second order was from another card. Now, in this card, I am this week going to be receiving my care pass, my $10 care pass. So I definitely will be shopping again this week on this card. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you one of my orders from last week that I got on Saturday. So we're going to unbox that together. Also online, I noticed when there is a spend deal like spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, I have a feeling that it's counting after all savings, so after the CRTs. So, and the manufacturer digital coupons. So those deals might be a little tricky, but the buy deals online are super easy to do. Now, another thing in the ad, something might be on sale. Sometimes online it's on sale for what it is, and other items like shampoo and conditioner may not be on sale. It'll be regular price online. So for instance, the swab is 2 for $6 in store. Online, they're $4.39 each. So let's jump into these deals. Okay, so the first deal is going to be on Crest Toothpaste. So Crest Toothpaste this week is on a promotion for buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So I picked up 2 of the Crest 3D for $4.59 each, making them $9.18. Now, these are all the coupons that apply to this purchase. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that became available today, a $1 off digital coupon from a couple of weeks ago, a 50-cent app-only coupon, and a $3 off teeth whitening coupon. So all of those coupons apply to these 2 tubes of toothpaste. So the total worked out to $1.68, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So that worked out to be free plus a $1.32 moneymaker. Now I'm going to show you guys again what CRTs and digital coupons apply to it, and basically the limit of 2 per deal that they have online as well as in store. So on here shows how the coupons were applied online. So there goes the $3 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon and the $1 off Crest digital coupon. Then on here it shows the CRT. So since I bought Colgate toothpaste as well, a 3 off of 12 did apply, but only $1.28 came off of this one. A $3 off teeth whitening kit, only $1.28 came off of this one. A $3 off teeth whitening kit treatment, $1.28. And then there goes the 50-cent app only. So I'm going to show you guys after the Colgate deal how much it actually came out to with all CRTs that apply to both the Colgate and the Crest deal. And as you guys see here, when you buy 2 of the Crest, you get a $3 extra buck. And if you see on the bottom right, it says limit of 2. So when you are adding things to your cart and it shows counts towards an extra bucks deal or whatever it says like that, when you click on it, it usually says a limit of 1. But basically, I bought 2 of the Colgate. And after the purchase and after I saw it like in my summary and my email, it shows you right then and there that it is the limit of 2 or a limit of 3 or whatever the deal is. So the next deal is going to be on the Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste. So they're on a promotion this week for buy one, get a $1.50 extra buck. And this is a limit of 2. So in this transaction, I picked up 2 of them for $3.49 each on sale, making them $6.98. So in store, they're on sale for $3.49, and online, they're on sale for $3.49. I used that $3 off teeth whitening CRT, making the total $3.98, but you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks for doing the deal twice. So it works out to 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Okay, so combining the Colgate and the Crest deal, as we would see it on a regular breakdown, the total before coupons for all 4 products will be $16.16. The total after coupons, that's including all the digital manufacturer coupons and the 2 $3 teeth whitening CRTs. The total works out to $5.66. A 3 off of 12 applies to this because the total before coupons was $16.16, making the total $2.66. But you're going to get back $6 in extra bucks. You get back $3 for the Crest for buying 2 of them. And the Colgate is a limit of 2, giving $1.50 for each of them. So it works out to be free plus a $3.34 moneymaker. So as you see here, this is everything that applied to the Colgate deal. And this is basically showing you when you buy one, you get a $1.50 extra buck. On the right-hand side, it says a limit of 2. So I'll get back $3 in extra bucks for buying 2 of them. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on the Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer Mask. So these are on a promotion for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of them for $3.19 each, making them $6.38. The total works out to $6.38. But you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.38 for both of them, or 69 cents each. And here goes the extra buck deal of buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. On the right side, it shows that this deal is a limit of 1 online. And it's also a limit of 1 in store. I believe it wasn't in the ad. So this was something that was only online, limit of 1. Now, the last deal I did online is going to be on the Maybelline Baby Lips. They're on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. So I picked up 2 of them for $4.79 each. And one of these items was my Care Pass item in order for me to get free shipping. So as most of you guys know, if you do have Care Pass, if you're signed up for Care Pass, you have to have a Care Pass item in the cart in order to get free shipping. And it usually shows on the deal. I gave you an example of that on Instagram as well as my community tab. So it has to say Care Pass deal on the item, and it qualifies for free shipping. So you get free shipping on your entire purchase. So buy 2, get 7. 2 of them were $4.79 each, making them $9.58. So the total works out to $9.58, but you're going to get back $7 in extra bucks. So it works out to $2.58 for both of them, or $1.29 each. And here goes the extra buck that you'll be receiving. When you buy 2, you get a $7 extra buck. And this deal is a limit of 3 online, as well as a limit of 3 in store. Now, that is a first. I've noticed for like the past couple of weeks, Maybelline has been a limit of 3. Usually in store and online, it's a limit of 1. So I'm super excited that they're bringing up the limits on certain deals. Now I'm going to show you guys the breakdown as to how you would see it on paper. Let's say you are in store and there's a way that the receipt will read. I'm going to show you that way, and then we're going to unbox my online order from last week. So here goes a summary of everything that applied to the order. So there goes the $1 Crest manufacturer coupon, the 50-cent app only, and the 3 off of 2. Those are the extra bucks that I used. A 3 off of 12 CRT applied, and 2 $3 off teeth whitening CRTs applied. It shows here that I'll get back a total of $18 in extra bucks. So there goes the $3 for the Crest toothpaste, the 5 off 2, the $2. When you buy 2 Garnier facial care, you get a $5. There you go. I get $5 for that. And then I get 2 $1.50 off for the Colgate, a $7 extra bucks for the Maybelline, and I need $8.03 left to hit beauty. So the total after coupons was $18.62. I rolled $15 in extra bucks for this, so my subtotal was $3.62. I had a tax of $1.17, but everybody's tax is different. So I paid $4.79 for this, and I'm getting back $18 in extra bucks. Okay guys, so this is everything that I got online. So I started with $15 in extra bucks, and I needed $23.99 to hit beauty. I did not hit beauty, but maybe this week with my second haul for this card, I'll hit beauty. Okay, so there goes the two Crest products, $4.59, and they're buy two, get three, and they're a limit of two. I only bought two of them, so I got back a $3 extra buck. There goes the Garnier face mask, $3.19, and they're buy two, get $5 in extra bucks. There goes the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.49 online as well. And they're buy one, get one, $1.50 extra buck. And there's a limit of two, so I got back $3 in extra bucks for buying two of them. Baby lips, $4.79 each. Buy two, get seven. And this is a limit of three. So my total before coupons is going to be $32.12. I use that $1 off Crest digital coupon. The 50-cent app only digital coupon. I used the $3 off 2 Crest digital coupon, the $3 off 12 oral care CRT, 2 of the $3 off teeth whitening CRTs. Now these teeth whitening CRTs do not apply in store. They do not attach to the toothpastes. Online, the $3 off teeth whitening attaches to any toothpaste you put in your cart. So my total after coupons is $18.62. I used $15 in extra bucks to pay for this, making it $3.62 after coupons, and I got back $18 in extra bucks. Now I only need $8.03 to hit beauty. So now let's open up the box from last week's order. Okay, so here goes my box from CVS.com. Now, some of the items are in this box, some of them are not. And it did show online that I'll have 2 shipments for 1 order. So I'm missing my Garnier wipes as well as I believe one of my Irish Spring body wash. So let's open this up together. Okay, so this is how my order came. Now, I did take this out, but it came folded like this in the box. And this is basically my order right here. And I placed this order on the 15th and got it on the 16th. So I did pick up the Colgate total in this order from last week. I picked up 2 of those, as you see here. I picked up the Summer's Eve wipes. Now, one of them did come open. So just close that up. So there goes one of those. And this one right here. This is kind of exciting. Like, I like opening the box. There goes the baby lips right there that were buy 2, get 5, I believe, last week. Right there. And it was buy 1, get 1, 50% off. And then here goes 2 of my Irish Spring. So I am missing one of the Irish Spring. Remember, these were buy 3, get 5 last week. And I'm missing one of them as well as my Garnier wipes. But I did get basically all of my extra bucks for the deal except for the Garnier wipes. So I'm missing a $5 extra buck from that order, and this was an order from my second card. So that's all that I'm missing, and I'm missing a $5 extra buck from the whole order. And I did hit beauty twice on this card. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Let me know how your online orders are going. I personally am enjoying these online orders because I don't have to go in store. Last week I did go in store one day because I wanted to use my cash cards and I needed to get a couple of items. So now I'm going to just try to stick strictly to online deals until all of this mess is over. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.